And if you wish to learn that 12 bar blues on a cigar box guitar using a slide, stay tuned for the lesson. Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the cigar box guitar, the 3-string cigar box guitar. This is a slide lesson. To get the most from this lesson, you'll have need to have seen the previous one a couple of days ago. But for now, we'll move forward. I am using a slide on my middle finger. You can use it on whichever finger you wish. It is very personal and up to you. I use it on this finger for a number of reasons, mainly because I can use my first finger as a rest to stop strings rattling. Again, I am tuned G, D, G, but any tuning is fine as long as your outer strings are the same, just an octave apart, and the middle string is a fifth up from the string nearest your chin. You get this opening 2-note refrain. We all remember that from a certain science fiction film in 1977. So let's get started. So going back to the first video, we learnt we could slide on the 3rd and the 5th in open chords like this. Again, when you slide, you go over the fret, not before. The fret, when you're fingering, becomes the mark. You have to go over the top for the slide. Again, if you want to be pitch perfect, it's up to you. Sometimes that rusticness and just slightly missing can add a bit of bluesiness to the music. So we have got an open G chord there. This is the nut here. Excuse the pun because it is a bolt. So we've got a nut there, a gap of 2, then the 3rd, then the 5th we can use. Home bass, gap of 2, 3rd fret, 5th fret. Okay, and they sound pretty good. I will put the notes of the 12 bar blues down below. It'll be in Roman numerals. The 1 is your open. The 4th will be the chord we're coming to now. So the 4th chord, the open, is there at the 5th fret. Right there. That is your 4th chord. The same as that is your open. Okay, that's your 4th. Now, so remember before we got a gap of 2 to get to the 3rd, so it's the same here. A gap of 2 means we go to the 8th. Okay? So that is the same as doing this. But now we're starting at the 5th. Gap of 2, the 8th. Okay, that's the same, so that's the 4th. If you want to go to the 5th, the equivalent of the 5th fret, you just move 2 higher to the 10th. So that's 5th, home bass. 8, 10. Get that tonality in your head for a minute. That is the same as doing. Hear it? That's your 4th chord sorted. Your 4th chord. When I say the numbers, it's the frets, but it's the 4th chord written in Roman numerals down below. Now to find the 5th chord. That is found 2 frets further up at 7. That's now home bass, like 5 was for the 4th chord and open is for the 1st chord. Home bass or 1st chord, 5th fret for the 4th chord, the 7th fret for the 5th chord. Then you just do the same again. So this time it's 7, 10, 12. So to recap, the first chord is the open strings like that. And you can use the third and the fifth with that chord. Your fourth chord is at the 5th fret and you can use 5, 8 and 10. Your 5th chord is at the 7th. You can use 7, 10 and 12. So if you were to play a song, say in the key of G in my case, that would be a 12-bar blues. So whatever cigar box guitar you pick up, as long as the open strings are tuned the same and the middle string is a 5th up from the lowest string, this will work. If I was in A, we'd be playing in A. If it was tuned to C, C, G, C, we'd be playing in C. But all the techniques work. So we will go through the 12-bar blues slowly. Again, there are many variations of the 12-bar blues. I have chosen one, basic one, because it's easiest to demonstrate on. So we start off with 4 bars of C. So you can play it like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 bar. 3rd bar. Now because we're going to the 5th fret, I don't want to play it twice. On that last bar, I play 4, then slide into the 5th. So that last bar of G is like this. Hear it? So the last bar is 1 and 2 and 3 and. The 4th fret is on the and of 4. 4 and. Then into the 4th chord for 2 bars. And that would be a basic 12-bar blues. So again, the first 4 bars of the first chord, the first 3 bars, sorry, of the first chord are like this, 1 and. Just the last bar's different, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Then you can slide into that 4th chord. Again, the 4th chord, you can use the 8th and the 10th. Then back to open. Then to the 7th fret. And that would be it. Again, you don't have to do it the way I've done. You can have some rattle, vibrato, whatever you wish. So the last 4 bars, we start at the 7th, 7, 8, 10, sorry, 7, 10, 12, sorry, 5, 8, 10, then back to open. So again, that last 4 bars, it's 7, 5, and open. In the next video, I'll show you a few little things you can do to make it sound different or more interesting for the listener. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School. The more thumbs up we get and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will post. So until next time, take care, keep practicing, keep playing, and as always, goodbye.